Hi there. This is my first, well, not my first, but $20.
Scratch on the go.
Yeah. Of the cast explosion. Well, anyways, we're excited because
You already started scratching.
I started scratching and I got number 42 and 42, 49 and 49, but I haven't scratched the winning numbers yet. So are you even looking at it?
I'm driving and filming, so
we'll see once I'm done scratching.
Continue scratching it.
Okay, I'm gonna continue scratching, but you're not even aiming it on the right direction. So it is a winning ticket, but
I'm a professional
we
videographer.
don't know how much we won yet.
So you scratch it, and then I'll just drive and point the camera like this.
48. Oh, I got 48 and 48, so it's 6 numbers already. Okay.
I'm multitasking.
Yeah, right. You're not even.
You're such a professional.
You're not even looking at the.
I'm looking at the road. I'm not looking
So
at
you
you
see,
scratching.
this is 42 and 42. This is 48 and 48, and I got 49 and 49. So they're 6 numbers all the same. Oh, not the same, but 17. 33. Do I have another 33? No. Let's see what number comes up next. Oh, another 49. Ah! So I got 7 of them. They're all winning numbers, but I don't know. We'll see how much we won. Me too. 6.
Walking sticks and canes. Okay, selling over there.
32. 31, not 32, okay. Another 49. Yoo-hoo!
Probably got
Okay.
$10.
And another 49. So they're coming in. Okay, well, we'll see what's the winning numbers. Okay. So I got 28. Oh, 28 is a winning number too. So they're all winning numbers, I think. Is it 28? See? 28, 49.
They're all dollar winners.
19. Do I have 19? Be positive, will you?
I'm positive.
I'm not giving you
Positive.
nothing.
Okay. Look, he's selling honey over there. Bee pollen honey.
Can I add that to Mama's video? You seriously?
Yeah, I'm waiting for her to show how much she's
48. We won. Hey, 6 is a winning number too. So 20 and oh
Maybe
my
it's
gosh.
a $100 winner.
And 42. Right, I know
The
42.
cheap one, the cheap one.
Alright, $2. How about if they're all $2?
What? It's $2?
48 is $5. So that's 7. Right? And then this is 49 is another $2.
This is called the mobile scratch video.
24, no, 42. Show me big, $1. So I have won $10 so far.
We're giving you action 2 times. Driving action and scratching action.
$10. Okay. Maybe I win $20. That's it. That's 9. That's $1. $2.
Told you.
I think I only get my
Yeah, you got
my $20
numbers. You got
back.
20 numbers and $1 and $2.
That's another $1.
That's just wrong.
This is
Get
$2.
you all excited like that.
2. That's $5. So $15 so far. Yeah, I know. I think it's just I get my $20 back. That's so wrong. That's 49. Yeah, $2.
So what's the total winning?
$20, I think.
Better than last year. Right, Mom? Right, Mom?
So I got 2. Yeah. That's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
You won your money back.
Yay! I got my money back.
You can buy me another.
Look at, out of all these numbers, I just get my money back. Oh my goodness. Wow, it's better than nothing.
That's what I
Can get
said.
another one from a different store. Alright, see you later. Bye.
That's all.